History was the most boring subject for me. Then I found a YouTube channel called History Bypass. It changed how I see history. This channel has 760K followers and 290 videos. And what are these videos? Just simple history shorts. Now the channel has grown so much that its net worth is about $500K. In just last month it earned about $1,000. I bet that all those viral videos have been made with AI. After completely watching this video, even you can make similar history shorts without much effort, because we are going to show you how to do everything using the AI tools. Hi guys, I'm your Today AI presenter from Wondershare Virbo. My name is Andy. AI can significantly help in the content creation process. You can sift through vast amounts of historical data with ChatGPT to find the most interesting and relevant facts. Then using some AI video generator, you can easily convert them into videos. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure to subscribe to it right now and hit the bell icon so you stay updated with all our latest content. How to create viral history shorts. Step 1. Generate the scripts with AI. The first step is to write your scripts. You want to find interesting, lesser-known facts that will surprise and engage your viewers. A great way to come up with ideas is to use ChatGPT. You can ask for intriguing history facts with prompts like, "Hey, give me some crazy history facts." See how ChatGPT provides you with unique and captivating stories from various periods, cultures, and themes. When you receive a fact or story that piques your interest, it's time to flesh it out into a script. Keep your script concise yet informative. The key is to make history feel alive and relevant. Use simple language to ensure that viewers of all ages and backgrounds can understand the content. Step 2. Generate the images with AI. Good visuals are important for engagement, especially on platforms like YouTube, where users expect dynamic and visually appealing content. AI tools like Midjourney can help you create stunning images that fit your historical stories. For example, you can enter a prompt in Midjourney like, "Tulip Mania in the Netherlands 17th century, aspect ratio 9:16. This will generate some classic images for your story, with the correct aspect ratio for YouTube Shorts. Remember, the images should complement your script, adding depth and emotion to the facts. They should intrigue the viewer, making them want to learn more. So pay attention to the mood and tone of your images. You can try with different prompts until you get perfect results. You'll need about 10-12 images for every history short. Step 3. Generate the AI videos and AI voices. After gathering your scripts and images, the next step is to create the video itself. For this task, you can use software like Wondershare Virbo. It's an excellent AI video generator, and it is available on web, Windows, iOS, and Android devices. You can use the link in the description to download it right now. For now, we'll be using the Windows version. Open the tool and click on this big Create Video button. For YouTube Shorts, you'll have to select a 9:16 vertical format. This aspect ratio is also ideal for mobile viewers, who make up a large portion of the audience on social media platforms. Then click on Create Video again. Next, import the images you created with Midjourney or any other AI tool. Go to the Assets section here and click on this Import Assets button. Now you can browse from your computer to import the images. Wait until all the images are uploaded. They will form the visual backbone of your video. You can add these images to different scenes in your storyboard. If you wish to change the presenter in your video, you can choose from various AI avatars available in Virbo. Go to the Avatar section here. Now browse from all these categories or scroll down to find someone you like. Then select that AI avatar for your video. These avatars can make your content more relatable and engaging without needing to show your face. There's also another interesting feature. Go to this talking photo section, and you can upload your static photo here. Then select it, and the same image will present your script by talking in the video. Now it's time to add our script. Wondershare Virbo allows you to add AI-generated voiceovers with text. Go to this text script section and copy and paste the script you made with ChatGPT here. Now click here to choose a voice that fits the tone and style of your video. You can select from over 300 voices in different languages from this section. Browse using the language and gender search bars here. When you've selected a voice, click OK. Lastly, add some background music if you want in your videos. Wondershare Virbo provides a library of music tracks you can use to complement your content. Click here on the background music and open this drop-down. Now browse from these categories and select the music you like. Select a piece that aligns with the historical period you're discussing, or the emotional tone you're aiming for. With all the elements in place, you can now edit and enhance your video. Adjust timings, add transitions, and fine-tune the audio levels, so everything flows smoothly. Step 4. Export and publish the videos. Once your video is polished and ready, it's time to share it with the world. Click on this export button to output the videos. After exporting, you're ready to upload your video to YouTube. Fill in the title description and tags to help your video get discovered. Don't forget to use keywords related to your content and any relevant hashtags. After publishing, monitor the comments and engage with your viewers, answer questions, thank them for watching, and encourage discussion. This interaction can help build a community around your channel and increase the visibility of your videos. Use YouTube's analytics tools to see how your video performs. Look at watch time, viewer retention, and engagement metrics. This information can help you understand what works and what doesn't, guiding your strategy for future videos. Conclusion: that's it for today. History Shorts not only make history fun and interesting, but also open up a new opportunity for you to build a successful YouTube channel. Start now, and who knows? Your channel could be the next big thing in the world of educational content on YouTube. If you're thinking of starting a History Shorts channel, remember that regularly posting content helps build a loyal audience. Not every video will be a hit, but each one is an opportunity to learn and improve. Set a schedule for your posts and stick to it. Also, you can share your videos on multiple social media platforms and history forums to reach a wider audience. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.